Today, I'm going to put up a little debate. Facebook business page versus Facebook personal profile. Which is most effective as it relates building your business? So you be the judge while I give my reasons. Fair enough? Okay, great. Facebook terms of operation require that business be run on Facebook business page and not your personal profile. So when you choose to go against the rules of Facebook, you stand a chance of getting kicked out of Facebook. I don't think you want that. That's why in this video, I'm talking on why you should conduct your business on a Facebook business page and not your personal profile. Hi there, Tavish Machi from TLOG Media, where we help businesses grow using digital tools, most especially social media. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and the links to everything we're talking about in this video will be in the description below. So, why you should run your business on a Facebook business page and not your personal profile is what this video is all about. When you sign up on Facebook, you automatically have a Facebook personal profile, which is different from the business page. However, to own a business page on Facebook, you must initially have a personal profile. So your personal profile is where you connect with friends and family and even make more friends. But you and I know Facebook is not just only a place to connect with friends and family, but also a marketplace. There are many benefits of conducting your business on a Facebook business page rather than the personal profile. But I will highlight just a handful to keep this video within your break time. Like I said earlier, Facebook designed the business page so business owners can run their business through the Facebook business page. So when you go about throwing out promotions and offers on your personal profile, Facebook is not happy with this and you stand the chance of getting what? Kicked out. That's right. Here's another one. When you run your business on a Facebook business page, you look way more professional. Not simply because you did a promotion or an offer on a Facebook business page, but because you have access to certain tools that make your promotion so outstanding. For example, the messenger chatbots. This allows you to automate your responses even while you're away. And on top of that, it can serve as a perfect customer rep for your business. Here's another good one. With your Facebook personal profile, you have a limit of 5,000 friends to connect with. Just 5,000 friends to connect with. I mean, right now, on my Facebook account, I have 4,000 friends. 4,000 friends. When I did the arithmetic, I've been on Facebook for roughly about 11 years right now. It means every year I have over 360 friends. So when I calculated, I realized in the next 3 years, I will hit my Facebook limit. Okay, so what am I trying to say? I know for most of you, it didn't take 11 years to have 4,000 friends. It took 3 to hit your limit. So I realized the challenge with this is we merge our business and our personal affairs. So it's good you separate it. Let business be on your Facebook business account and your personal profile carries your personal dealings with your friends and family. Okay, I get the reason why most of us are stuck doing business on our personal profile, because when we post an offer or a promotion, we have more engagement on our personal profile. While when we do that on our business page, we experience little engagement. Well, what I would say about this is, if your business is short-term, you can continue doing on your personal profile. But if you're considering long-term business, come on, what is 5,000 friends compared to over 1 million or as much as you can take with the business page? So here's my recommendation. Put more effort on your business page to grow it, and soon enough, you have the engagement you desire, right? Okay. Here's another big one, Facebook advertising, popularly known as Facebook ads. I really love this one because this is where the benefits become so obvious. Facebook wants every business owner on Facebook to run advertising. So they want you to pay them to run advertising for you, as simple as that. And this is only possible for business owners. Personal profiles do not have access to this feature. So you see why Facebook has the right to be angry with you when you run your promotions on your personal profile, because you don't want to pay them to run promotions for you. So guess what? They are going to frustrate every strategy you put up to run advertising on your personal profile. So you might be saying, why pay Facebook? I'd rather stick with the free promotions on my personal profile. Really? So I'm going to make another video to explain why you'll be doing yourself a great favor by paying Facebook to run promotions for you, or run ads for you as we call it. Well, I could go on and on, but I'll stop now to keep this video under your break time as I promised earlier. So if you've missed my last video on how to secure your Facebook account from hackers, you can check the video out so you can keep everything uptight with your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And do remember to come by our channel next week for another video like this. See you.